Yes, we will paint it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to draw on your screen and then you have to draw it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Just have
Okay,
one
sir.
backdrop. Just have one backdrop. They'll delete this one. Okay, so what you have to do in archery, first we have to create targets, right? So we'll have circles like this of different colors, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start creating those circles.
Sir, is this sprite a background?
Hi, Karan.
No, it's background.
Okay.
It's backdrop.
Okay, thank you.
Sir,
Karan.
first is red, I think.
It's all up to you. Okay, so make sure you create 5 concentric circle. So all of those circles should have the same center. Karan, we just started. Okay.
Sir, I just got distracted. So, I didn't understand.
Okay. So when we play archery, we have a target, right? In target, we have circles like this, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
we are going to create different color circles.
Okay. First is red. First red.
Oh,
White.
so, but
First create the circle. Let's draw the circle first.
sir, I'm not. Sir, if I do this,
Yeah.
it will
So
cover.
yeah. So let it come as such. Okay. Then go and click on back. No, first select that circle.
Sir, oh, sorry.
That circle. Click on back. Okay.
Oh.
Now draw the next one.
Sir, mine will have different colors. Mine is green, blue, and red.
Okay. Just make sure you have 5 circles. Okay.
5.
Yes.
Okay, then I have to look for more colors.
Karan, you are able to get?
So,
Yes.
What are we doing?
so
We are just creating a backdrop right now, Karan. We just started it.
So we have to convert this to vector.
If you want, you can do it, but let it be as it is.
Okay. So another color.
Karan, you started doing?
This color is nice. So no. Sir, I might take a little time.
No problem.
It's a bit tough. Oh, I don't know what happened.
Sir, can I share? I am not understanding anything.
Okay. Please share.
Can you stop? What do we have to do?
So go to backdrop and we are creating an archery game. For archery, you have to create a target, right? So we are creating targets as such.
So what to do in that?
We create target, right? When you play archery, you have target concentric circles are there, right? And then you try to hit in the center of that circle to get points. You have played the dart game, right? If not the archery game.
Yes.
So that's what we are trying to. We'll have 5 circles of different colors.
Sir, is it okay if the boundary between each circle is thin?
Yeah, that's okay as such.
Sir, but how to make another one?
Just create another one, and then you have layers, right? You can put it behind as such. Just draw another one with a different color.
How to put one in the other?
Okay, Krish, can you share your screen and show them how you have done it?
Sir, I'm just making only 3 layers I have make.
Okay, just tell them how you have done that.
Sir,
Just add one more layer and show them.
Okay, sir. Oh, sir, again wrong.
You have to keep the boundary of the circle. I deleted its boundary.
Sir,
That's
like
okay.
this.
That's okay. It looks good. Okay, let's add one more circle.
Sir, but blue, sir, but
can you help
blue is
me?
little bit smaller.
Can you help me how to do this? How to keep one circle on the other?
So if you look at Krish's screen, right? Just have a look at how he's doing. Krish, can you add one more circle and show them?
Okay, sir. Oh. Now, sir, I'm doing like this. Then make it position, and then back. It will automatically.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Okay, so yours is good now, Krish. Okay, very good.
Sir,
Now what
but
you need to do,
some-
Krish?
Yes, sir.
Krish. Now what you need to do, we have to create a stand also, right?
Yes, sir.
So we will take, wait.
Sir, can you wait?
Yes, I'll just draw on this. You can have a look at it. So we will create lines like this. Okay, so they will be stand for this particular target. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, through lines you have to draw.
But it is not happening.
Okay, please share your screen. Okay, just place your place your circle on top of it. Then say front. You're done the other way around. Go and click front over here. Front. Okay. So keep on adding circles like this. Okay. Sagarika, you're able to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Rakshita, you are
can I
building?
share?
Yeah, sure. You are building this only or something else?
I'm doing this only.
This only.
I'm not getting any other idea.
Okay. Or you can create a Rakhi like this. Okay.
I can do that, but then I'll do that later.
Okay.
Sir,
Very good. Very nice. So, okay. Then what you need to do?
sir, can you wait? I didn't finish.
Sure, no
Yeah,
problem.
same.
Yeah.
Sir, me too.
Okay.
Done.
How should I make the stand?
Yes.
I have made 4 colors. Is it okay?
Make it 5. Let's make sure there are 5 circles, right? Otherwise, it will look very small.
So I made 5 circles.
Okay.
Sir, but I did a different way. I didn't do what you guys did.
Okay. What is the new way you found out?
So first, you have to make the biggest circle
Okay.
and then keep
I also
doing
did
that.
the same.
Yes, sir. I did the same thing. That's
It's
Same.
easier.
It's easy. Okay.
Yeah. But I tried doing that, but by mistake I deleted it.
Okay.
Just pick. Okay.
Black one.
So that then
No, the stand has to be thick, right? It has to be a wooden stand, correct? So
okay.
so you have to do it using lines. You have to draw lines like that, right? It has to come like this,
Okay.
correct?
No, because I'm very bad at drawing.
You're still better than me.
My circles are very horrible.
Are you? Okay.
That's why I'm taking so much of time.
Okay, now let me go to Anant. Anant, please share.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Okay. Share screen. So
Okay,
I'm
very
making.
good. Okay, looks good. And this is something that we can play competition also in this game, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Going to make this right.
Doesn't come in the center, so
That's okay, like those, if it's not coming center, that's okay.
they don't align each other. They are like.
But for that, you need to have very good mouse control. With practice, it will come.
No, I am not using a mouse, right? I'm using
Okay.
a touchpad.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay,
1,
very
2,
nice. So
5.
for others, please now make sure you create a stand also. Okay,
How?
so for stand, you have to make use of the
I made,
line.
sir, I know, not of, I made of, I used a square thing.
Okay, but is it
The
tilted?
line.
No, it isn't.
It should be
Sir, I'll
tilted.
show you.
Okay, it should be tilted and then fill it with black color also. It should look like a stand, right?
So
Blacks
like,
are not black or brown color. Brown color would be better.
Can you stop? Send.
okay. Stop.
I did it like this.
Okay, this is also good. Just once.
I can make this bigger.
Then it won't look good. I think that was better. The earlier one was better. Straight one. Okay. Everyone done that?
No, sir. I'm making
sir.
stand.
Okay. Then we'll wait. Okay. For others, right? They
Excuse
can.
me, sir.
Yes, Krish.
Sir, my dad point one is deleted.
What is deleted?
That what we called. Where we do archery.
Art backdrop.
Yes, sir.
Right.
We are
Dot-
making this.
So you have to start again. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm doing it again.
Okay.
Sir, my stand looks like a lollipop.
Okay, that's good. So it's a lollipop only unless until you have a arrow to hit it. Okay. So now let's try to add a backdrop also to it.
1 second. I'm making the leg.
We have to add a backdrop.
Please come again.
To this circle also we have to add a backdrop.
Yeah, we will add a backdrop. We'll show that this is somewhere in the outdoors, right? If we are playing an archery game. Okay, so that also will add slowly. Let's make sure everyone has got at least the target ready.
Sir, give me 1 minute. I'm not finished.
Okay, Karan, for you, I think you want to continue, right? So let's do the second thing. Go back to the backdrop again. Go to backdrop again. And from here, select any outdoor backdrop over here. Select forest, beach, any outdoor where we can play this game.
Okay.
So I made the legs using the line, but I cannot fill color in it.
Okay, not a problem as such. You can do it later, okay? Okay. Now, Karan, you know how to copy and paste, right? Not like that.
So,
What you need to do, okay. First, say convert to vector, this one. Convert to vector.
Where?
over here. Now select this.
Sir, 1 second.
Okay, just give me once. Let me just
How
work
do we
with him.
convert to vectors?
Just
Yeah, selected.
selected.
Yeah, it's selected. See.
No, just select with this one for me. Select for this one for me.
Now?
Just give me 1 second, Rakshita, and say copy. Now go over here and say paste, and then say back. Okay, all right.
Sir, can you show me how to do that?
Now Karan will teach everyone. But it's all up to you which background you guys select, okay?
Okay, sir.
Let's wait for everyone to come over here, okay? I know I'm rushing today. Okay, let's wait.
Sir,
Go ahead.
sir, when I copied it and pasted it on the other one, my other one is not there now, the archery board.
You
Then
have to do back.
It's a layers, right? So there is one layer on top of another layer. You have to push it back. Just try pushing it back and forward and see.
Backward is not coming, forward is only there.
And then front and back will be there for you.
Front
Or share your screen.
So in this I had this. Nothing is coming.
Or click over here more. Now do it.
So nothing is happening.
Now first you need to select this. You have to select it. And then
Sir?
go to more. Go to more.
So back is not coming.
Okay. Click on front.
Okay. So nothing is happening.
You're using which?
Laptop.
Do backward.
It's not happening.
Okay, then delete this.
Once delete.
Delete this. No, not that one. This one. Don't delete your thing.
Oh no. Do control.
Where is your stuff actually?
Do control Z.
Doing control Z.
That my whole everything disappeared.
Okay, we'll come one by one. Click over here. This undo. Click undo again.
I clicked it, nothing is happening.
Okay. Select this again. Select it and click on forward. Click on forward.
Nothing happens.
Okay, click on more again. Click on front. Okay. Last thing. Convert to bitmap. Convert to bitmap. That
Now?
help you.
I think he has not converted that second picture into vector.
No, but I'm just worried about the work that he has done earlier, right?
Yes,
Where
convert.
did that work go? Keep on hitting Control Z, Control Z. Keep on hitting Control Z.
Nothing is happening.
Keep on hitting.
It is a computer, no? It will get auto saved after some time. Mine also that only happened. It will get auto saved. Go into your stuff like your name Anand, like something above right in.
Yeah, that happens. You can, if your thing is not saved, say leave and then go and get your thing from the file.
You can just go to your stuff from that Anand something in the top right.
See, it's coming like leave page or stay on page.
Anand,
Say leave page. Say leave page.
Suchari or that something
Don't
account.
leave.
Now go.
Go in that my stuff. It will get auto saved there first. When it was there, See, Untitled 3, it was there.
Where is stuff? Your stuff.
Like, see, yes.
But
In the
that
top
you
right,
find it to scratch.
after save now.
What?
Yes. Go there and in my stuff, go. Just go in my stuff over there.
I went.
Top right, my stuff, yes. See, this Untitled 3.
Yes, I'm here only. See inside.
I think Anand, it is better you do it again, like it will be much faster. You know how to create the circles fast, right? And when you are going to do the next thing, then just ask me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, meanwhile, you can create it again. Okay, just delete the backdrop and do
I'll
it.
check.
Wait, let me see, like who else is not able to do it?
Sir, give me 1 minute.
Sir, can you just see mine?
Okay,
Sir,
Sagarika.
can you help me?
I
Okay,
stopped
let's-
sharing.
Sir, can I share?
Okay, Sagarika. Very nice. Okay.
Sir, should I delete the target?
No. Let it be
Okay.
there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let me go to someone else.
Sir, can I?
Okay, Chris. So for Sagarika and for Karan, it is working. Okay, Krish, now you have to select a backdrop. So go over here.
Here's the backdrop. I just did it and my whole thing appeared and it was saved. So I went back to it.
Okay. Select any backdrop.
Sir, can you just give me 1 minute?
Sir, I'm choosing, but it is not coming. I'm selecting, but it is not coming.
Just select it again, any other thing.
So see my whole.
Sir, now it's come.
Okay, just give me 1 second, Krish. Let me just work with him.
Oh my God.
Okay, wait. Now first duplicate this one just to make sure there's a backup. Duplicate this one, the first one. Duplicate it. Okay, good. Now go to the third one. Go to the third one. And select this. Select it and say copy. Now go over here, first one. Go to the first backdrop and now say paste. Okay, now say back.
Sir, back.
Yes. Okay, all right. For
Sir,
you also it is working.
So,
Yes, Krish?
Sir, how to copy paste it?
Okay, please share your screen, Krisha.
Sir,
sir,
yes, I understood.
Sir,
sir, I made the circles.
sir,
Okay,
till that
Anand.
time, can I choose a sprite?
So,
You have to draw an arrow. So sprite would be an arrow. So again, using paint,
Okay.
please draw an arrow.
Okay.
Sir, can I start sharing?
Sir, we have to draw
Yes, please.
an arrow. Sir,
Yes, Rakshita.
we have to draw the arrow.
Yes, we have to draw the arrow.
Sir, there is an arrow, but it doesn't look like an arrow.
Okay. Okay, Krish, now you have to paint a new sprite, which should be an arrow. Okay, who is sharing screen? Anant, you are done? Everyone has done this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I think Anant is only one left.
can you
Well,
help me
sprite.
how to do the background.
Krish,
The sprite said that background is very big.
No, that's okay, man. That's okay.
No, sir.
You
When I
can,
do it full screen, it is too big.
that's okay. That's okay. You can reduce it later. Okay. That size you can reduce it. There's a size also, correct?
Okay, sir.
Let
Oh,
me
sir, I forgot.
let me go to Anant.
Okay, sir.
So what to do now?
Like how to get the backdrop?
Okay, so now you have to get the back. First make sure, Anant, you duplicate this one, whatever you have created.
I'll grab this. Paste this. Okay. Duplicate it.
Okay, now go to your first sprite, first costume. Yeah.
Okay.
Now select it.
Okay.
Select this. Say copy.
Copy.
Now go over here.
Okay.
And say paste.
Okay.
And now go into more. Go into more. Do you have back?
Yes, sir.
Click on back. Okay. All right.
Okay. And
okay,
this
now
one?
Let it be there for the time being. Okay.
Sir, how do I do back? I'm not able to.
Okay, you have to share your screen, Rakshita.
Okay, sir.
Let's stop sharing.
Has anyone drawn arrow or not?
No, sir, I didn't.
So I'm still drawing.
Sir, where to draw the arrow?
So, we have to draw it in the sprite or
in the sprite. In the sprite. In the sprite. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Let me first help her. Okay. So select this.
Sir, can I close my video?
Yes, you can. Yeah.
Sir, it's saying there are 3 backgrounds.
Copy.
Copy.
Then go to the first one. Okay. Then do paste. Then say back.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Now let me go to Sagarika.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. I'm still making the arrow.
I just want to make sure like what arrow it is. It is not spelling, right? ARROW.
Sir?
No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. So let's try to make it like this. Okay. So you will have an arrow, like it would be straight line.
Sir, I made a.
Straight line like this.
I did it.
You did it. Something like this. Okay.
Sir, just
It's an arrow, but then it looks too much like the sign wala arrow.
Okay.
Sir, I made a good arrow.
Okay. Let's go to Krisha first.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
But I don't like it.
Sir, how do I get the triangle?
Triangle, you will have lines, right? Very nice. Okay. This is a missile itself. Okay. All right. It's good.
Sir, but I don't like this arrow.
You don't. So we can keep it simple, right? Just a line the way I was requesting you guys. A line like this. Then like
Sir,
this.
can I show?
Then like this, like this, like this, right? So this could be in my arrow as such. Okay.
Now, yes.
Okay. Now let Karan share. Very nice, Karan. Very good. Okay. So everyone, if you can copy what he has done.
Sir, can it be a straight arrow?
Yes, it could be. You can rotate it later on, right? So
Sir, how to change the thickness of the line?
thickness of the line, there's an outline, correct?
Yes.
There's an outline. And do one thing, Karan. Let's reduce the size of arrow. Let's make it small to start with. Okay, let's make it 25 or 30, the size of arrow. Okay.
How to? My thickness is not changing.
And try to change the color of the arrow, because if it is black, when it's going to hit your target, it will not be seen, right? Try to give it some other color.
Sir,
Yes,
I made another type of arrow,
show me.
but it doesn't look good.
That's okay. You can improve it also, right?
So should I show you that arrow?
Yes, yes, Anand. Yes, it looks good.
I want to change the thickness of this.
Thickness of this, then there's an outline, right? This outline, you have to change the number over here to make it more and more thick.
Here.
But I'm sure I'm not able to do it properly.
No. Sagarika, how about you?
Sir, I'm done. Can I show you?
Okay. And just make sure everyone, the size of arrow should be 20, 25, something like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay.
The arrow becomes too small for 20.
Yes. So during our coding, we'll make it big, right? We'll start small as such.
Sir, it's really small for me.
That's okay, right? We'll see in the coding how it looks like. Okay.
But sir, I can barely see it.
Okay. In the coding, we'll see if you're still not able to see. Okay. All right.
Sir, can I just make it 40 at least?
Okay, make it 40.
Yeah.
And try to change the color of it, right? It's right now blending with it, right? If you can just make it stand out, make it white color or something.
I can make it more darker.
Okay.
So which color we have to make?
Just make sure it should look different from your background. Okay.
So this arrow doesn't come properly only for me.
Here, Akshita, share with me.
I mean the triangle, it goes some weird shape. Here it is correct. Here when I see it's...
No, that's good. That's good. It's looking good.
Now you have to, if you want to fill that, go to fill with color tool, black, and you can fill it.
Yeah, not about filling. I was talking about the shape. I'm not able to do it. I've been trying this for...
I think once you see it in the game, you will not regret. Yours is the perfect right now. Okay.
So should I stop sharing?
Yes. So now everyone has created arrow.
Yes, sir.
Everyone created.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's start coding. We'll start coding now. Our backdrop is done. Our arrow is done. Karan, you've done it very nice. Okay. So now let's start coding. Okay. The very first thing. Okay. So very first thing. Okay.
Actually, I copied it from here. Sorry.
From where?
From Google.
Okay, copied. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay. So the very first thing, okay, we will say, let's go to motion.
Can you wait for a second, please?
Okay.
Because I accidentally deleted my arrow.
Okay.
Because some kind of busy, everybody is busy, our delivery is busy. Yeah. And they
We can start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to motion, and there would be a block which says go to XY. Let's drag and drop go to XY. And let's make it X should be minus 130, Y should be minus 130. Okay, let's try that. Minus 130.
So Y should be?
So both X and Y are minus 130, okay?
Okay.
Then after that, go to looks, and there would be something called as set size.
Can you wait for a second?
Okay, Rakshita, set size. We'll say set size to 200%.
Uma will talk to her.
200%.
उनको ये बताओ कि उनको progress बताओ पहले तो last
And then
4 months में we have progress from 0 to 70.
Okay, so I've just muted. If you want to speak, please unmute yourself. Okay, after that, put a forever loop. Put a forever block. No, after that, not before that, after that. And then go back to motion. And there would be a glide, right? And put this one over here, glide 0.5 second block. Okay. And then go to operator.
So the second one? The second glide block?
Yes, second glide block. And then put pick random over here and put over here also, both the places. And then I'll explain you what we are doing, okay?
Okay, sir.
Everyone has done this?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in glide, we have to put pick random.
No, glide is set. Karan, you have to show the code. So glide, second XY block is there, right? So that is what we have. And then we have put the pick random thing. And Karan, do one thing, do it minus 130 to 30. No, over here. Minus 130 to 130. And over here also put minus 130 to 130.
So?
Yes.
So what code we have to do for the glide 5 second to X?
Then we are saying glide 0.5 second to random position. Okay, so we are just going to random position.
Glide 0.5.
And Karan, just click over here to see how it looks like. Okay, all right. Can you reduce? Okay, now stop your code. Stop your code again. Okay, reduce your size to 10.
Minus 130 to 1.
Okay, and now show me your, again run it. Okay, so we have to change the X and Y position. Okay, it's becoming big. Make it 50%. And now run it again. Okay, X and Y, all right. Okay. So what's happening is, the game is, this arrow will keep on rotating, okay? When it comes somewhere in this target area, you have to press a key so that it goes and hit on the target area. Everyone with me?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just make sure like everyone has coded this.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, which key should we press?
1 minute.
Any key that you are comfortable with. Just select any one key which you're comfortable with.
Sir, so how many keys are we going to use? Only one?
Just one key, right?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when I start this, so my arrow size become very big.
Okay, so if you can share
When
your
I
screen.
Do it 50%, set size to 50%.
yes, sir, I'm putting it.
Sir, can I share?
Let Chris share first.
Sir, after him.
Okay. Okay. So just click over here for me once and show me how it looks like.
Sir, it doesn't move only.
Okay, so this should be minus 130 to 130.
Yes, sir.
This is minus and minus, right? It should be minus to 130. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So this is minus 130. This should be 130.
Oh,
This should be 130. No, that's okay. Sorry.
okay, sir.
Wait. Huh?
Second one, y coordinate should
So
be.
this should be, make this as 130.
Sir, go to x minus 130 and go to y 130. It should be now.
Wait. Let me first help him, okay? And make this as 130.
So
Now just click over here. No, now just click over the code and show me. Okay, it's working, right? Okay, all right.
But it should be in above. So in the above first block, it should be 130. No.
It should, no, it's like minus 132. So you're giving a range, right? From X this to this range. Start from there. So that's
130 to 130. No.
Your voice is breaking, Risha.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, please tell me.
Sir, it should be x coordinate minus 130, y coordinate 130. It should be like that, no?
So it's all. So this is the first block you're talking about, right? Which I've just highlighted on a screen.
Yes, sir. Glide.
Yes, not the glide one, or go to XY. Which one you're talking about?
Yes, go to xy minus 130, 130. It should be 130, no, by coordinate.
No, so this is first block is just the starting position. You can have it anything you want. Okay, so if you want to have it 130, you can have 130 also. That is where our arrow is going to start.
Sir, I did coding for that thing also.
Okay.
Can I show?
Let me first see like everyone has done this or not. Krish, if you can stop sharing, let me go to Krish.
Okay, sir.
Can I share?
Yes, please. This will not be there, right? So let's remove this first block. Okay. Go to X, Y, set size. Okay. So what we are doing, Krisha, is this arrow will keep on moving. That's why we have this block. Okay. Then we will add one more block of code, which is going to hit this target when you hit a key. Okay. All right. So far you have done it right. Okay. Okay. Now let me first go to Anant. I'll come back to you, Karan. Okay.
Trisha, can you stop? Nice. So.
Go to X. Okay. Show me your Okay, it's all right. Good. Okay. Okay, now who is left?
Team also. Let people download it.
I'll stop sharing.
Yes, Rakshita, you have done.
Yes, sir, I've done.
Okay.
So should I share?
Yes, please share.
Okay. So just give me 1 minute. I'll share. Sir, there are 3 sprites because I duplicated them, but I didn't do anything, so
Okay.
they won't be visible.
Go to X.
Sorry,
So-
I did. Forever, right, sir?
Forever. Okay. You are doing something, or then you can do it. Okay. All
So
right.
I'm doing the same thing only.
All
I
right.
got confused because there was a static noise.
Okay. Set side.
Sir,
Okay. All
can
right.
So focus on
Anyone else left, and then I'll go back to Karan.
Sir,
Anyone?
can
did?
I share?
Okay, Sagarika, please share.
Okay.
So basically the game is when the person touches the key, the arrow is supposed to stop. And that
So we'll go and hit that target, right?
Yeah, I also did.
the
I
target
did more for
whatever strategy that
stop.
Okay, now let me go back to Karan. Okay, yes, Karan, please share. Okay, all right. So what we will do when we meet next time, okay, we are going to improve on the game. Okay, so you're on the right track, Karan. Okay, so what we have to do, different colors will give me different points. Then we will add the point, we'll add the sound, okay, and then we will play that. Okay, everyone with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Anand.
and now can you try my quiz?
Yes, please go ahead. Show me.
So your quiz. Anand, should I answer your that quiz?
Yes. 1 second, sir. This.
Hello, my name is
feature wise also our
addition, subtraction, multiplication, Fortnite GK. Fortnite GK.
Who developed Fortnite game? Okay.
Rishabh, you know?
No.
Who
I
developed?
don't. Epic Games, Epic Games. I thought the user.
No. Rishabh, you
Those
I
know?
don't
name.
Rishabh, you know?
In the last season it was Midas, this season it is Jules.
So which one it is?
Jules.
Oh, very good.
Now since
No spelling?
MEO.
Wait, I didn't put that spelling.
What is spelling? MEOCLES.
Sorry.
What gun does Kit have? Shockwave grenade launcher and Kit's shockwave grenade launcher and Kit's charge shotgun.
Very good.
Done.
Very nice. Okay. So it's good that you are also thinking outside the box now. That's good.
Yes, I wanted to add more questions.
Okay.
You can add.
So I only have to duplicate this box, no sir, full till here.
Yes, correct.
And I have to change those questions.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I've added a background music.
To which one? Quiz or to the archery
The
game?
game.
Game. But game is still not complete, right? Okay. We'll
Yeah.
do it. Okay. Okay then. All right. Then I'll talk to you again soon. Okay.
Okay,
Bye
sir.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
Karan. Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye Krishiv. Bye Krish.
Alt
Bye,
Q.
sir.
Leave.